I think most people are aware of how much lumber has risen in cost. And recently I've seen so many videos talking about the prices are falling, but take a look. This is in the Home Depot, and that is some subfloor. $71 for a panel. I mean, it's just astronomical. Check out these prices. It is truly amazing. Lumber futures, if you've got some money to invest, this might be the place to put it. So the reason that I came in here looking at lumber is because I want to go ahead and put a pump house over top of our new well. And I knew things were expensive, but wow, take a look. Now let's look over at Lowe's. Surprisingly, things are a little bit less over here at Lowe's, but that doesn't mean anything. It's still astronomical for the price of these panels for plywood. I hadn't built anything since I built the tiny house, the studio, where we have the music night. And I mean, I think I spent nearly $3,000 to build that structure. And now I'm looking at building this small little 10 by 10 pump house. And I think it's going to cost $3,000 just to build a little pump house. This is just amazing. I mean, even the pressure treated 4 by 4s. Look, take a look at these prices. They'll just blow your mind. So I need these. These are 4 by 4 by 12, and they're $17 a piece. And that's what, is going to hold up all that plywood. And if I want to put a floor in there, just, a decking floor, look at the price of the decking lumber. And this is the crappy grade. This is just amazing how much lumber is going up. I didn't even look at shingle material or metal roof yet. I'm just blown away by the prices. And I thought I'd just post a little video about that, let everyone know that lumber is expensive. And we're in a place, here in Central Florida where there's so many pine trees. Georgia Pacific is just everywhere here, but the lumber prices are still very high. I can remember when I was maybe 12 years old and I would go to the lumber yard and just ask them for, scrap wood. And they would be happy to just give you as much scrap wood as you wanted. And we'd build forts and things like that. But take a look at these prices. And one final note, here at the Home Depot, I'm glad to see they finally have a cast iron sump pump that would be good to use for the backyard sump pump. These are the Everbuilt. And the best thing about these pumps is they're made of cast iron. And you saw the prices down there below. Great little pump. If you can't find a Zoller, this will work. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.